Good morning. Happy Monday. Glad to see you here. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good long weekend. So here's the plan. We've now spent several weeks, really months, looking at ancient China. So this week we're going to keep up with choice boards. We're going to kind of wrap things up by creating a final project on China to show just how much you know. Hopefully have a little bit of fun. So as always, your assignments are going to be in your My Student dashboard. Okay, so if we go to our student dashboard for this week, okay, underneath the last few choice boards at the bottom, there's now something called Week of 420. So you've got some basic directions, which says, please choose at least 3 resources to explore from at least 2 categories on the choice board. Next, complete 1 final presentation. So it's going to make a lot more sense now when we click on that choice board. So when you click open your choice board, you're going to see that there are basically 2 parts. There's the top part, which is read, watch, and listen, and then there's the final presentation. So you have all week to complete this, and you can kind of do it at your own pace. So if you're feeling like you don't have a lot to do one day, this will be a good thing to work on, or you can do a little bit each day. So first thing you're going to do is you are going to increase your knowledge of ancient China by reading, watching, and listening to the resources below. You're going to choose 3 resources to explore from at least 2 different categories. So maybe you want to watch 2 and read 1. Maybe you want to listen to 1 and watch 2. It's up to you. So for read, you can either look at an article from Duxter's, your choice. You can read any article you like on ancient China from the History Channel. Or finally, you can read one of these or really any articles in Newsela on ancient China. Remember, though, that before you try to read one of these in Newsela, you have to actually sign into Newsela using ClassLink. Then you can type in one of these titles or search ancient China. So these are all videos, and you've got 2 podcasts. Or if you want, you can just kind of do your own research on ancient China. Just kind of explore. It's up to you. But again, you're going to look at through 3 of these. Okay. After you've done that, and you don't need to take notes unless you want to. It might make your life a little bit easier, but I'm not going to collect anything from this. Once you have learned a little bit more about ancient China, you're going to create a final presentation. So you will have the option to present your knowledge of ancient China in a variety of ways by picking one of these to submit to me. So you can create a brochure. Here's a template. Create a presentation, a video, write a speech, do a rap, come up with your own idea, but please ask first. You can do a 1-pager if that makes you happy. And again, I put a template here. You can work on that. You can either print it out or make your own and send me a picture. Infographic or Canva is kind of the same thing, but using a different online program. You can make your own kind of museum on ancient China. You can create a board game. You can write a test. It might be kind of fun. Be a teacher. Or you can take on the role of some major figures in China. So basically, you have 9, more than 9, you have 12 different choices on how to present your knowledge of China. So you'll pick one of these, you'll finish it up, and then you're going to create it in my workspace. So if we go back to my workspace, right here it says Ancient China Final Presentation. If you click on that, you will fill in for me the 3 different resources that you looked at, right? So maybe Duxter's, Ancient China, put the name of the article, name of the History Channel article, and then the YouTube video clip you watched. Then you are going to create presentation, your final project. So if your project is, let's say, an essay or a test, you can go ahead and type that in right here. However, let's say you create a presentation in Google Slides, or you make a Wii video, or you record yourself. Then you're going to want to put a link here for me to open it up. Remember, anytime you have a Google Doc, you can click Share, and then you can click Shareable Link, and you can copy and paste that, and then I can see it. But again, if it's just a written assignment, you can just put that right in here. And then this is what I'll be checking by the end of the week. So the goal would be to finish this up by Friday evening for me. So That's the assignment. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm hoping this is fun. Again, you've got lots of choices. So pick the one that sounds the most fun to you or the one that makes the most sense to you. If you're reading through one of these and it just doesn't make sense to you, and you're like, how in the world do I do that? Skip it. Don't do that one. Pick the one that makes the most sense to you or the one you'd like to do the best, right? Because when you enjoy what you're doing, your assignment's going to look a lot better. For example, if you go to my Twitter account these days, right? You'll see I've been posting some pictures of student work, and obviously these students really enjoyed what they were doing because it just shows they did a wonderful job. So check out that mug right there. All right. Well, have a great day. Email me if you have any questions, and be well. Thanks.